Given the equation 4x minus y over x plus y is equal to 5 over 2 is true, what is the value of x divided by y? So the best way to know how to approach these is to just practice them. But it's a very simple process. We know that 4x minus y is equal to 5 because it's just the numerator would be equal to that other numerator, and the denominator would be equal to the other denominator. So we can set these up in two lines. And the only way you're going to know that that's what you need to do is by practicing these and doing them. So we have a couple of options as far as how to solve this now. Now that we have two lines, we could either do substitution. We could solve for one of the variables and substitute it into the other line, or we can combine these lines. Since the negative y and the positive y nicely cancel out when you combine them, that seems to be a fast route to be able to do this. So we're just going to combine these lines and get 5x is equal to 7. We're going to get x by itself by dividing both sides by 5. And we find that x is equal to 7 over 5. Now we can just substitute in 7 over 5 into either of these lines to be able to solve for what y is equal to. So we're just going to subtract 7 over y from both sides. I'm going to multiply this by 5 so that we have a common denominator. And when we subtract 10 over 5 minus 7 over 5, we get 3 over 5. So y is equal to 3 over 5. The question is asking us what is the value of x divided by y. So we have x divided by y, which is the same thing as saying 7 over 5 times 5 over 3. Remember from our middle school math lesson that when we are dividing fractions, you simply flip the second fraction and it turns into a multiplication problem. Since we have a 5 on the top and the bottom, we can cancel those out and we're left with 7 over 3, which is answer H.